Now, if I felt I did something wrong, I would have resigned in December. If I felt I had violated a law, I would meet my responsibilities. I would have resigned in December. I wouldn't put my family through this. I wouldn't put you through this. And most importantly, I wouldn't put the people of Illinois through this. But I didn't resign then, and I'm not resigning now because I have done nothing wrong. And all I ask of you is to give me a chance to show you that I have done nothing wrong. Let me bring those witnesses in. And sure, there's political embarrassment to members of my party in faraway Washington, D.C. Sure, there's some inconvenience. But all the witnesses I'd like to call will testify honestly, and they did nothing wrong either. They had political conversations with me about a decision regarding a United States senator. Let them come in here and talk about those conversations, and let me show you that I've done nothing wrong. I cannot possibly admit to something I didn't do. And it's not about me as much as it is about not shaming my daughters so that their dad, they might think, may have done some things that he didn't do, and allowing them to have this feeling that I let them down. And even more important than my daughters, the people of Illinois. It is painful to be in a position like this. It's painful to hold your tongue and not be able to say too much because people are telling you you shouldn't do anything, and they've already rushed to judgment and said you did something you didn't do. It is painful to be in a car and drive and see people standing at bus stops or walking down the street who voted for you, presumably. More of them did than didn't. And they've hired you and trusted you, and you're dying to tell them, I didn't do it. I didn't let you down. Give me a chance to show you. It's painful, and it's lonely. But I want you to know, I never, ever intended to commit a criminal act. I never in any conversation intended to violate any criminal law. All the conversations, warts and all, ought to be heard. This is not Richard Nixon and Watergate trying to keep the tapes from being heard. I want all the evidence heard, and I want it sooner rather than later so I can clear my name and we can get on doing the things that matter most. I want to thank you for giving me a chance to be here. I know these are tough times. I want to apologize to you for what happened, but I can't. Because I didn't do anything wrong. These are circumstances that have happened. And I'm sorry that we're all in this. I'll apologize for that. And I'll apologize for maybe pushing and prodding too much and the rest in the past. But I want you also to know that whatever you do here, and I hope you think about the big, broad picture and the big consequences, not me. Think about future governors. Think about the constitutional rights that are involved. Think about the precedents. Think about the civil liberties that we Americans all enjoy. Think about the dangerous precedent of removing me without proving any wrongdoing. If it could happen to a governor, it could happen to any citizen. And then I would say to all of you, think about the things we've been able to do together. Health care for all of our kids, first in the nation. Preschool for 3- and 4-year-olds, best in the nation. Record amount of money in education. All of our senior citizens riding public transportation for free. Holding the line on taxes. Think about all the good things we've been able to do for people. Give me a chance to stay here so we can roll up our sleeves and continue to do good things for people. Thank you very much.